Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha for anybody that's new. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make sourdough bread in the bread machine here. So I have a Sunbeam bread machine. It works really well. We've never had an issue with it. So you want to go and see what your recommended instructions is for your specific bread machine. Some of them recommend certain orders of ingredients, but I will show you guys what I do with mine. So with mine, I already have everything pre-measured out here that I'm going to need except for my bread machine yeast. So with mine, first it recommends to put any liquids. So I will put a half a cup of water here. Just pour it in. Next, I have 1 cup of my sourdough starter. It is already pre-measured out as well, so I will just pour that in. Make sure I'm getting all of that out. I'm going to go ahead and grab a spoon to go ahead and make sure I have it all. Alright. Next, I am going to be putting here, I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. It is in there mixed together. So I'm going to pour that in. And then next, I have 3 cups of bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but it doesn't have as much gluten in it. So if you want the correct texture of your bread, you do want to use bread flour. Let me dump that in without trying to make a mess. All right, and next, once you put your flour in, you want to take your finger and make a little hole in the top of your flour. Let me show you guys that. So I just took my finger and made a little volcano looking crater there. And that little hole, that's where I'm going to put my bread machine yeast. It is instant yeast. I am going to use 1 teaspoon. And I'm just going to put it right there in that hole that we made. And that is it, guys. We're going to close this up. It is already, I don't know if you guys can see, it is already on cycle 1, which is your basic loaf. It is actually on medium. We're going to put ours on dark. Last time we made ours on medium, it didn't get quite as brown as we like it. So it is on 1 for basic, on dark, and a 2-pound loaf. It is going to take 3 hours. So we're just going to push start. It is just mixing everything up. I will give you guys an update as we go so you can see how it looks. Alright guys, this is 5 minutes into the cycle. It will pick up all that dough residue around the edges. Give it time. I will show you guys an update again here. Alright guys, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes left. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek here real quick. This is what it looks like right now. And I will give you guys an update when the bread is finished.
And here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and I would love to have you guys subscribe for future videos. Until next time, bye guys.